Everyone is talking about which jobs AI will replace, but almost nobody is talking about which skills make you irreplaceable. I spent the last 6 years doing work that had no usual job titles, building startup programs from zero, getting different stakeholders to agree on one direction, designing ecosystems where people actually show up, stay, and grow. And I used to feel embarrassed sometimes that with a tech background, I am not writing code. So I started working in AI. And I watched something happen. The engineers today can sure build the model, but who has to figure out who is it for? Nobody could get the partners on board. Nobody could design the system and experience so people actually trusted it. Here are 5 human skills that are going up in value, not down, and exactly how you prove you have them. Trust building at scale. AI can generate content today, but it cannot make people believe in something. If you have built communities, led programs, or gotten buy-in from people who had no obligation to say yes, that is your skill. You prove it with numbers. How many people, how long did they stay, and what did they build together? Number 2, ambiguity navigation. AI needs a clear prompt. Real work never starts with a clear prompt. If you have taken a messy situation with no instructions and created structure out of it, document that. What was unclear, what decision you made, and what happened because of it. Number 3, ecosystem thinking. Seeing how different people and organizations connect, where leverage points are, who needs to talk to who. This is the skill behind every successful collaboration, every successful partnership, and multi-stakeholder initiative. Prove it by mapping something, a program you built, a network you grew, problem you solved by connecting the right rooms. Number 4, conflict resolution under pressure, not conflict avoidance. Actual resolution, where two people who disagree both leave feeling heard. AI escalates the ambiguity. Humans who can reduce it are becoming the most valuable person in any room. And number 5, contextual judgment, knowing where the rule does not apply. When the data is technically right, but actually wrong, when the correct answer will break someone's trust. You cannot prompt your way into this. It comes from experience and it shows up in the calls you make when nothing is obvious. So here's what I want you to do right now. Pick one of these 5 skills. Write one sentence describing a specific moment where you used it. A moment, not a job description. And that sentence is the beginning of your portfolio. Comment skills and I'll send you the exact template I use to document these for job applications and client pitches.